Hello and welcome to the course on statistics. I am Dimple Solanki and I am a postgraduate in computer application. I have hands-on with Python, R language, data science with machine learning, PHP Laravel framework. Currently, I am working at TechNet Consultancy as a data scientist. Introduction of statistics. In this course, we are going to talk about basic to in-depth of statistics and statistics modeling for data science. So what is statistics? Statistics is the science of data. It allows the collection, analysis, understanding and presentation of the data. Next is why we use statistics. A statistics is a piece of information from a sum of a population. It's the opposite of a parameter. If you know something about 10% of people, that's a statistics too. Parameters are all the information. And all the information is rarely known. That's why we would like to stats. Next is when we use statistics. Statistics help within the study of many alternative fields such as medicine, economics, physiology and marketing. So what are the things in this course? In this course, our focus on majorly on statistical for data science. By the end of this course, you will be good hands on things like discrete and continuous random variable numbers, distribution and normal distribution, skewness, kurtosis, standard deviation, mean, median, mode, and many more upcoming topics. This course is going to be updated frequently. So guys, let's start the journey of statistics.